During the pandemic, K-12 students missed months of in-person learning. School districts are now faced with addressing learning loss. The best way to address learning loss is to boost student engagement. Since students will continue to work virtually through hybrid or distance learning, teachers should have strategies in their toolbox to engage learners online. First, they can check in with their class through live online meetings. When students connect with their teacher throughout the year and form a bond, they're more likely to be motivated to tackle challenging content. Teachers can also lead live class discussions and create breakout rooms online. Next, to keep students engaged during virtual learning, teachers need to post expectations online so students know what is required of them. Teachers should also model appropriate communication and behavior. Discussing proper video meeting conduct and acceptable email and chat language helps learners be successful. Another strategy to engage learners is to allow them to work individually at their own pace online. This increases learner engagement and helps build skills and knowledge. The next strategy is to give learners timely and constructive digital feedback. Teachers can schedule office hours online and set up discussion boards to provide feedback. Another way to engage learners is to let them collaborate digitally. Students will feel more connected to their classmates and more engaged in learning activities. Teachers can use jigsaw reading, class discussion boards, shared documents, and online gallery walks. A final strategy is for teachers to flip their classroom. Learners start with online independent work and come together as a class to discuss. This helps them take ownership of their learning and enhances their understanding. Want to make these strategies even easier? Hāpara keeps K-12 learners engaged with a full suite of instructional tools. Visit hāpara.com to learn more.